Customizing HR workflows for each department can make your organization run more efficiently, but it's not always clear where to start. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in under 3 minutes. So stay tuned until the end, because we'll also cover how you can get your hands on a free trial of our recommended software to follow along with. Let's dive in. When customizing HR workflows, the first thing you want to do is understand the specific needs of each department. HR processes like hiring, onboarding, and employee management can vary greatly between departments. For example, the marketing department might need workflows focused on creative team collaboration, while the finance department might require a more structured, compliance-driven approach. Step 1 is identifying the key processes for each department. You can do this by sitting down with department heads and mapping out their day-to-day tasks that involve HR functions. Whether it's tracking time off, performance reviews, or training schedules, this will help you tailor workflows to meet the department's specific needs. Next, it's all about automation. Once you've identified the key tasks, look for software that helps automate these processes. Our software, for example, can easily automate tasks like employee scheduling, document management, and performance tracking. Automating these tasks not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error. Once you have automation set up, the next step is customizing notifications and approvals. Different departments may have different approval hierarchies, so make sure that the software you choose allows for department-specific workflows. This can include setting up automated reminders for managers to approve time-off requests or for the HR team to review employee feedback after a performance review cycle. Don't forget about reporting. Each department will likely need different types of reports. Customize your HR software to generate the specific reports that are most relevant to each department. For example, the sales team might need monthly performance reports, while the HR department may need reports on training compliance. After your workflows are set up and customized, make sure to test them thoroughly before rolling them out to the entire organization. You don't want any hiccups when you start using the workflows in real time. Work with department heads to ensure everything runs smoothly. One more important point, continuous improvement. Once your HR workflows are customized, make it a habit to revisit them periodically. As the company evolves or as new challenges arise, the workflows might need tweaking. Be open to feedback and make adjustments as necessary. So, the key takeaway here is this. Customizing HR workflows for each department means understanding their specific needs, automating tasks to save time, and making sure the software can handle department-specific processes like approvals, notifications, and reporting. To recap, identify key processes, automate them with software, customize notifications, approvals, and reports, test everything thoroughly, and be ready to make improvements as needed. If you're looking for a way to follow along and start customizing workflows for your own HR needs, I recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial of our software, linked in the description below. It's an amazing tool for streamlining HR workflows, and it's only available for viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trial in the description.